Okay, as we had suggested last time, now the second part is now designing the interface. Let's learn how to design the interface now, like this one. But designing the interface, it depends on how you want the interface to look like. But me, I promised you like to design the same software like this one here. I wanted you to show you how I did this from scratch, from start to finish. So I'm going to show you how I started designing this interface. Then from there we shall proceed to another step. One, you have to open your new Excel. I'd open mine here. This is an Excel. You come here. By default, it will be showing you something. Let me first delete this. Delete. Delete. Okay. Let's do like this. I create a new one. So here it will be reading these different sheets. Even if I leave them, so I come here on the first one, double click here, then you write your what? Your sheet name, interface. So this is my interface. Okay. Then this one you can name to another thing, you can name to another thing. Just double click, it will bring rename. So after renaming, I'll have to choose my part. Okay, I have to choose my part here. You say maybe this is the part I want, or even you can make it grid. Okay, just by bring this one here, you see, you come on view, then part here there is a grid line. I want to hide all these lines here, but I just say so that all lines are hidden. When all lines are hidden, but you'll be seeing the columns and rows here, headers and tabs, all these tabs, the columns and the rows you'll be seeing here. So this one will help you to guide you where to start and what to put here. But remember, our sheet looks like this. I want to bring exact thing how this one is. One, I'll first bring this part here as seen in the middle. So I will come, I say maybe from this part here, this is what I want to cover. Okay, this is what I want to cover. This one maybe. Okay, let me get from C maybe up to O. That's fine. It's up to you how you want to make it. But me, I'll first say from row 6, I make it maybe to O. Okay, like this. So I come here on home. On home, I change the background color. Maybe it's something like any color you feel like you want. I put something like this. Okay, this is the color I want. So that's the color I want. So from there, I come and say insert. In inserting, I'm going to insert a shape. Okay, I'm going to insert a shape. This rectangle shape. I come here, I put, let me say, like how you want it to be. I enlarge a bit, like here. Enlarge a bit here, here. So to make sure you make it fit, so it fits your part. Okay. So this one, I'll change the color. Maybe make it which color you want. Color of my choice. Which one do we want? Let me see this one here. So this same thing I say outline. No, I don't want to outline. Don't outline. Okay. So in outlining, let us see how our thing looks like. It was like this. So I want to copy all these words. Okay, all these words here. But it's up to you how you want to put. Copy all these words, or you can put yours. In putting these words here, you can even come and say insert. Then you look here to shapes. Then there is this one for text. You come and drag like this. All this, the text will be filled in there. Okay, when the text will be filled in there, I'll come and click on that shape, text shape. I say shape fill. I say no. Okay, shape fill, no. In shape fill, then shape outline, I say no, no outline. So I have to bring the other part exactly. So from here, start formatting one by one these words. I center it. I can put the font I want. Let me set Roma. It's Roma font. increase the size. Okay, maybe the size, you can even change the font of your choice. You can say like that, say like this, any font of your choice. You can even put just any font of your choice. Then put just like that. Okay, from there, now this one again, I'll also put area, any point, any font of your choice. Make it 16. I center it. So this one is developed by as you see, I'm going to make it like exactly like this one here with this. Okay, I come here to my words developed by, I bring here center. So just come here, press shift, enter. So it becomes a bit down. You come and choose your font which you want, just the clear font which you want. Any font of your choice which you want. Any font of your choice. Let me select this one. You can put here your credentials, put by blah blah blah, everything you want. Okay, I will stand it a bit down, just press shift, a little bit down. I'll click on this one. Okay, a little bit down like that. Now this slightest tool, also bring it like in the middle. So this one again, shift, I can bring on step, backspace, shift once. Okay, this one center. I increase it a bit. I also can look for another font which is better for you. We may have a better font. I increase it a bit. Little. I make it 22. Okay, it is 22. I come here, shift, enter. So if it goes down, I reduce the size of these words. Maybe it's something like 8. 8 is too small. Use the font. It's just area. Area. I don't want to italic. It's want to be like that. Okay. But it depends the font you want. So I come here. I choose the year 25 because we're going to 25. Let me just put it like that. I'm at Mutaga Innovations. This is my website. Senior Junior School. This one. You can as well increase equals 22. So I make it bold, not bold like that. So let's store. Okay. So this one I click a bit up. Click a bit up. Okay. Come here down. So this is how it is. You can change the color of this, but however, there is the other form how to make it automatic. You can set it somewhere and set it automatic. I will also show you that trick somewhere. You can change the color of your choice. Let me say this is the color you want. And depending even on the logo of the school, you could have made something which is so attractive to the client. Even if client sees it, wow, it's exactly you want. This one I can make it like in red color. License 2. I can make it which color I want. To black. These words. Can I make it them like somehow blue? Blue. Or any color of your choice. You can make them any color of your choice. Like that. So after you put that, then you bring that other part which you had put up here. This column here. Okay, I can cut from here. And then make it maybe like it. I come here say merge. In merging, I can increase it here. Say developed. Developed by you can put Emma computer guy. Okay. So this one here you can come and center it, increase the size. You can even choose the font which is of your choice. As a designer, you have to make sure the font looks good. Okay. Okay. You have to make sure the font looks good. As a designer, you also have to have that skill of choosing a font which will attract the clients. Make it like that. Go to buy. I will go a little bit. I change the color. Maybe be like hiding it. Okay. You go to buy. This one can even be small letter. You go left. Buy. Okay. Yeah. You can center it like that. So down here we had one button which was saying this one. License to the school name. License to the school name. So down here, okay, I say insert. In inserting, I do the shape. I'll pick this one here, which is round rectangle. I put it somewhere here. So the old design depends how you want the thing to look like. Okay, a little bit. Okay. You can tap on this one to make it a little bit. Okay. Then this one, I'm changing the color of my choice. Taking the color of my choice. Maybe what? How can you make it like this? You can even bring it back so it fits here. You can double click and say edit text. Licensed. The word licensed. Licensed to school name. School name. Yeah, as long as the school has paid, you can access the software. Because you have paid for it. Area. Make it middle. Center. Put the size. Okay. Like that. So here can you please put it out discovered license to. License to. So there the heading, you can even come and make this content format, change the shape effect. I can try to make it something how to be a good designer. Just choose the shape which you want. Okay. Make it like that. So down here I'll put, because first look up this. We have this part here and we have this part here. So copy my logo and this logo. But I will show you the other format of making it. I will making it automatic. But let's first put it here. So let me first put my word up here. A bit. The color is up to you. Okay. Designing is all up to you. I come and put my image, but the other professional way how you can make the image look good, I will show you. Here you can even put this logo of mine, but I will show you professional way how you can make this. But I'm just showing you how you can put the image. And finally, we shall make it. You can send it back. Send back. So there is my So here there is the other button which says you can go to developer and either use a button here, or you can say insert, but let's put this one here. Okay, insert. Again, rectangular. I put my button here. This one. I'll make it a little bit. Okay. Change it maybe something blue. Which color? Color with a badge like this. No, but I'll see something like this. So here switch, what does it say? It says open main user interface. Come here. Put me what? Text Canada. Open main user interface. Make it center. Center. And choose the font. You can put any font you want. This one, I'll make it somewhere. So as you want this cafe to look like a badge, you can again come and format. It has to look good. So this one, change the color. This one I said. Change the color. Something like this. So this is license, okay. Take it down. Like so I will hide this. Let's the first one. Let's see hide it. Our main interface is done. Our main interface is done. Then you can save. You can find the way where you save your work. Save as. I call it demo one. Look somewhere you can save your work. Saving is optional. You can find anywhere you can save your work. But I will make it micro, Excel macro enabled. This is save. Okay, that's one. Subscribe for me.